Hey everyone, today I'm back here with the next tense of ours, and today we are going to discuss present perfect tense. Alright, like every tense, this tense also has three vital points to be remembered. First point is पहचान or identity. That is चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, गया है, गई है, गए हैं, आया है, आई है, आए हैं. Helping verb has a helping verb has a. Like every tense has different types of helping verbs. This tense also has different helping verbs. In present continuous we had isama. In past continuous we had was were. In future continuous we had will be, shall be. And in present perfect tense we have has, have. Has is used with singular subject. Alright students, singular subject means he, she, it, name. जब काम करने वाला अकेला हो we use has. The doer is singular, we use has. And when the subject is plural, we use have. I, we, you, they have. Alright? So if you practice 10 times speaking I, we, you, they have, he, she, it, name has. I, we, you, they have, he, she, it, name has. It will get fixed up forever. Alright? अब now, what's the use of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense का use क्या है students? This tense is used to express that action which has taken place just now. हर वो एक्शन जो अभी अभी हुआ है, हर वो काम जो अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है. To express that action we use present perfect tense. Alright, so अभी अभी, हाल फिलहाल, इन दिनों. जब हम हिंदी में इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में यही सेंटेंसेस बन जाते हैं जस्ट नाउ, रिसेंटली, ऑलरेडी, these days. When you find these types of words belong to present perfect tense. Alright, this tense also has several types of sentences. First type of sentence is affirmative. Subject, helping verb, main verb, object. As I told you, in present perfect tense we always use third form of the main verb. Form of the main verb is always third form. Alright students, negative, subject, helping verb, not, main verb, third form, object. Interrogative, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Interrogative plus negative, helping verb, subject, not, main verb, object. WH, you just have to put WH over here and then copy the structure of interrogative as it is. WH plus negative, put WH and copy the structure of the interrogative plus negative. Now, let's understand this in a better way with the help of some examples. चलिए कोई एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं और उसको ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. हमने अभी अभी काम ख़त्म कर लिया है या फिर हम अभी अभी यह काम ख़त्म कर चुके हैं, एक ही बात है. ऑलराइट, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स क्रैम इट, वो रट लेते हैं चुका है, चुकी है, आएगा तो ही दिस हिंदी सेंटेंस बिलोंग्स टू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. नॉट लाइक दैट स्टूडेंट्स, हमें रटना नहीं है. वी शुड नॉट गो फॉर द क्रैमिंग पैटर्न, वी शुड गो फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. हमने अभी अभी कोई काम ख़त्म कर लिया है. जब हमारा फील यह हो, जब हम ऐसे एक्शन की बात करना चाहते हैं जो अभी अभी हुआ हो, टू एक्सप्रेस दैट एक्शन वी यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो लेट्स ट्रांसलेट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश. हमने, we subject, helping verb, have. As I told you, with we use have. I, we, you, they have. I, we, you, they have. We have watched movie just now. We have not watched movie just now. You can also speak we haven't. Contracted form is haven't. We haven't watched movie just now. Have we watched movie just now? Have we watched movie just now? Have we not watched movie just now? Have we not just watched movie just now? Or you can also say haven't we watched movie just now? Haven't we watched movie just now? You can also write in this contracted form. Haven't we watched movie just now? The rest of the sentences can be continued like this. Not can be put over here. Now, if I talk about the WH type of word, as I told you, the structure of WH is WH plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. लोग अभी अभी कहाँ पहुँचे हैं या कहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं. Alright, अभी अभी कहाँ, WH word, that word which brings the sense of question in a sentence is called WH type of word. So here WH type of word is this, where have people reached just now. लोग अभी अभी कहाँ पहुँचे हैं. Where have people not reached just now. Where have people not reached just now. Not should be put in fourth place in WH type of sentences students. हमें WH टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस में जब हम नेगेटिव बनाते हैं तो नॉट हमेशा चौथे नंबर पे आता है स्टूडेंट्स. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. ऑलवेज WH, helping verb, subject, not, main verb, third form, and then the object of time. Alright, don't forget, don't get confused. उसने हाल फिलहाल में कौन सी मूवी देखी है, या इन दिनों में कौन सी मूवी देखी है, या अभी अभी कौन सी मूवी देखी है। तो जो ऐसा कोई एक्शन जो अभी अभी हुआ है, हाल फिलहाल में हुआ है, या इन दिनों में हुआ है, मैं बार बार रिपीट इसलिए कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप बार बार ये चीज़ें सुने और दिमाग में बैठा लें। विच मूवी, WH, हैज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, ही सब्जेक्ट, वॉच्ड मेन वर्ब, जस्ट नाउ, these days, recently, just now, these days, recently. These all are the types of object of time, right? Adverb of time. You can also say this adverb of time. Which movie, WH, which is always used with noun. Which movie, whose movie, how many movies, how much, or अगर suppose there is an uncountable noun, it will be how much. So which movie, whose movie, how many movies. Has he watched just now, has he watched recently, has he watched these days. These days का मतलब इन दिनों में, recently का मतलब हाल फिलहाल, और just now का मतलब अभी अभी. So whenever you find these words, it is included in present perfect tense. Next is कौन मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ा चुका है. Here this is WH type of word and this plays the role of subject as well. यही WH है और यही subject हुए हैं. So this sentence belongs to WH category undoubtedly, but we have to follow the structure of affirmative since here subject comes in the first place. क्योंकि यहाँ subject first place पे है, इसीलिए हमें affirmative का structure follow करना पड़ेगा. तो WH word which is a subject, WH word तो है पर यही subject है यहाँ पे. Subject, helping verb, third form of the main verb, object. This is indirect object and this is direct object, right? Non-living is called direct object and living is called indirect object. Don't get confused, students. This is called indirect object. Indirect object. This is called direct object. Alright? Indirect object, direct object. Non-living is called direct object. Living is called indirect object. Now, negative. किसने मुझे नहीं पढ़ाया है या कौन मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ा चुका है. Who has not taught me English? Who has not taught me English? I repeat, this is a WH type of sentence, but over here we have subject in the first place in the form of WH word. यहाँ पर हमारे पास subject पहले ही नंबर पे है WH word की form में. That's why we have used the structure of affirmative negative. Subject, helping verb, not should be placed in third place. WH में भी not तीसरे place पे आ सकता है only in one condition when WH plays the role of subject. जब WH subject का role play करता है. Alright students, who has not taught me English. This is a WH type of sentence, but since we have the same types of same word which is playing the role of WH and subject same, that's why we have used the structure of affirmative and negative. Now let's have a look at the next sentence. वह कितने बच्चों को पनिश कर चुका है. वह कितने बच्चों को पनिश कर चुका है या उसने कितने बच्चों को पनिश किया है. ओके. How many students, WH word, has subject, helping verb, he subject and punished main verb, third form of the main verb. I repeat, चुका है, चुकी है, present perfect tense. What type of sentence is this? WH type of sentence. Now let's recall the structure. What's the structure? WH word, how many students, as I told you, which, whose, how many, how much. इनके साथ में हमेशा noun की जरूरत पड़ती है हमें. I repeat, which, whose, how many, how much. How many students, WH word. After WH word we use helping verb has, then we use subject he. How many students has he punished? How many students has he not punished? Not should be placed in fourth place. Over here we have separate subject, separate object. No WH is playing the role of subject over here. That's why we have put not in fourth place. यहाँ पर separate subject है, separate object है. WH यहाँ पर इस वाक्य की तरह, WH यहाँ पर इस वाक्य की तरह सब्जेक्ट का रोल प्ले नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए नॉट यहाँ पर फोर्थ प्लेस पे होगा. ओके, यहाँ पर नॉट फोर्थ प्लेस पे होगा. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर विथ ऑल ऑफ यू. आई विल कम विथ सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, बट ड्यू टू द लिमिट ऑफ क्लिप I need to stop over here only. I hope this will surely help you out. If there is any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.